Italian. Hi.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing really well. Anything specific you want to work on? Whoa. Breathe in,
Maybe nothing.
just or I can scan you, Kylan.
Yeah, maybe just scan me. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, so you run from you run from a pattern of female dominance in your life?
Yeah.
So basically,
Yeah.
that is, you might have had a mother that might overprotected you. I just see kind of seem, but what I see is that you seem like you might have had a mother that doesn't trust men or doesn't trust her husband, basically, your father.
Maybe.
Yeah. So so
Maybe.
so that distrust is in you.
Mm.
So in that case, Colin, breathe in. This is where people might not trust you although you're very trustworthy. This is where I say a woman might go, oh, you might think that you're cheating on them, or they might not connect with you because it's like, well, he doesn't feel trustworthy. It's a trustworthy issue, and it's
Okay.
like I'm not going to go with that guy because well, he's going to use and abuse me. Does that make sense? How that works?
Uh, maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, Okay. The other aspect, and just think about it, the other aspect
Hmm.
for you is that, if you, there's a female dominance in you, so you are trying to create your own identity of who you are. If so, you would attract women that just push on you. Um,
Yeah.
get it? Okay. And then
Hmm.
you lose your identity of who you are. And
Hmm.
then they'll blame you and not trust you. Is
Yeah.
that fair?
Yeah.
Get it? Okay. So
Yeah. I get
breathe in.
it.
Yeah, and this is where you're unsure of who you are even now. You're just kind of
Yeah.
unsure who Kalen is. Okay,
Yeah.
it's
Italian.
Kylan, and again, that's all from that one pattern. So let's take a breath in, buddy. Let's create a little distance for you because when I see females around you, they literally encroach your space and then dominate you. They literally become very
Hmm.
oppressive over time for you. That could have been your mom.
Yeah.
Whether she was a nice mom or a mean mom, it doesn't matter. It's just this oppressive feeling of, and then
Yeah.
you're a little kid and you're just going, I feel this weight of this other person on me. So relationships in your
Yeah.
case, you feel the weight of the other person on you,
Yeah.
especially as you get closer and closer to love. Basically, you'll
Hmm.
feel the weight, and this is where you basically have to escape.
Yeah. Yeah. I even have scoliosis and
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we can work on that. That's again when I see people with scoliosis. I'm not a doctor or anything like that, but this is
Yeah.
where the other person's presence is so strong. Imagine if I was, if somebody was sitting next to you,
Hmm.
like really close, all over time you
Yeah.
literally will create, say, a space for them, right? And this
Yeah.
is
Keep leaning over. Yeah.
yep. So breathe in. Unfortunately, you always connect with women that are really needy as well, and then they become
Yeah.
dominant for you. So
Yeah.
so in this case, one, creating a space around you to help you understand who you are, so you have a solid identity, right? Uh, and what I would suggest for you, or people like you, is take a look at icons, movie stars or whoever that you wanna be like. See their, um, uh, see what you say resonate with them. See what inspires you in
Hmm.
them. You don't want their whole identity, but what it literally inspires you about them, and just really feel that it's like, oh, it's this little piece, and then you want to copy that version uh, uh,
Yeah.
of their frequencies, and this is where you
Hmm.
have an identity of your own. So it's
Okay.
literally creating
Yeah.
bringing an identity of your own. You might get a little mean, by the way. You might push people
Hmm.
off. It's okay. because you're just
Okay.
creating space for yourself. All right, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.